What a glorious day today is! The world is full of stress and quick rich, quick healthy, quick happy syndromes. Everything needs to happen now, today, or it will be too late. Slow down, you're moving too fast. Let's take a look at the baby steps. This is Jesús, your luxury lifestyle coach, and welcome to Good Morning Creators. We need to see life as evolution and to look at the evolution of life. It has been a slow progress. We cannot rush evolution, and it is the same with our personal development. Even if we get the answers we are seeking, we may not understand it at the time. When we understand it and know what to do, we need to personally grow ourselves to manifest it into reality. There is a personal formula to become happy, healthy, and wealthy. And that personal formula is specially designed for you personally. You have the blueprint to it all, and you personally, as the creator of your life, need to study yourself and your own blueprint. You're the key to it all, one step at a time. This is Jesús, your luxury lifestyle coach.